TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 15. You get the NASDAQ up 9. S&Ps are up 2. Gold contracts trading up $1.50 at $12.55. We have silver up 18 cents, $17.16 an ounce. Platinum is up 11 at $10.24. You get the copper market flat at $2.22. Light sweet crude down 80 cents at $41.67 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year flat at 130.12, the 30-year up 10 ticks at 165.12. King dollar up 213 ticks at 94.16. You get the euro down 14, trading at 113, and the yen is trading at 109. Now, if we go over to the S&Ps and we take a look at the S&Ps, this is what you have. The cash S&P out here, what it did out here yesterday, folks, is this. It gets to the December 2nd swing high, which was the 2104 level. 0.50, failed on price, failed on volume. It's going to be intriguing to see if, in fact, it can get any higher. I suspect, well, we'll find out at this point. That's the real bottom line. The oil stocks very well could take them higher, but guess what? If those babies don't move today, that was a false move on those bids yesterday. Dow Industrials, the Dow looks like it does want to get into higher price. We've got yesterday the high out there inside the Dow Industrials, 18,102. Now, that being said, guess what? NASDAQ, Composite, NDX 100, both moved lower yesterday with volume. They're going to give us a lot of information out here today because if, in fact, they give it up again, which I expect the NASDAQ and the NASDAQ 100 will give it up again, and you have an expansion of volume, that's going to be a clue that, guess what? NASDAQ is topped out first because the amount of volume, by the way, that came out of the NDX 100 yesterday was big numbers. 42 million shares. That's a big number, folks. Most of the time it's doing from 17 to 21 million. You go downtown with 42 million. That is a big heads up. Gold contract wants higher price. Gold is flat out here right now. You talk about monster volume out here yesterday. That's pushing a swing point with huge volume. We did 217,000 contracts yesterday at the price point of $12.58. You're $12.54 right now. This is building more cause to do what? To blow away the $12.87 March 11th high. That's the way that's set up right now. And if, in fact, we do that, and you have volume, that'll be an ABC structure up to 1432. 1432 is a swing point that's left over from a few years ago. Silver's catching a bid once again out here. Silver caught a bid in a big way at about 1:30 yesterday morning. Continued higher. Silver also had monster volume. You know, I'm not sure whether they caught people on the wrong side of this or there's huge buyers in it. We did 108,000 contracts yesterday. We're at 49,000 contracts now. That's saying you're going to do another 100,000 contracts. Silver is not going to bother hanging out at the $17 level. You're at $17.10 right now. That baby wants to run up into that $18 level. Notes, the 10-year note, it was flat out here yesterday. We'll see where this baby's shaking out. Today you get a small bounce. It's on light volume. So what the note is saying, we're at 130.12. That's saying that, hey, guess what? It wants to run down to the 128.04. You know, I don't see a larger breakdown at this particular point, but right now, that's where it looks like it wants to go. And let's go over to King Dollar. So King Dollar, folks, is teetering on breaking out its lows. And so what we have is this. And this is good. This is, for the commodity market, this is what it's all about. The swing low on King Dollar right now, the previous swing low is $93.62. We're at 94.15. We came down yesterday with volume expanding, and guess what? You're going up today with it contracting. What that's saying is that you are building cause to blow away these lows. And we'll see how it reacts to the 94 number, but it does have that high volume swing low at the 92.50. You blow away that 92.50, guess where you're going to go? 88. And the way these commodities are acting, the way the potash equities are acting, the fertilizer equities, that's saying that they want to go up, commodities want to go up, dollar wants to go down. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking to discover a new financial resource and diversify your financial portfolio, don't miss out on the Market Safe Commodity Solution CD from Everbank. This is the second running of their popular 5-year U.S. dollar-denominated CD, which gives you exposure to 8 equally weighted commodities, including WTI crude oil, gold, silver, copper, nickel, soybeans, corn, and sugar. With annual pricing caps of 70% per component, you could earn up to 70% upside payment at maturity if the commodities increase in value across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There's no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on this indexed CD. Don't miss out. Take advantage of this financial resource designed to grow with the times. The May 19th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.